Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to share files on Samsung. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, there are various ways of sharing files on Samsung. The easiest and fast way is through Quick Share. All you need to do is open the notification panel from the top, and then tap on the Quick Share icon. Once done, tap on the Everyone option and select Done. After that, open the Photos app, and then select the target image. Then choose Share from the bottom, and then tap on Quick Share feature from the menu. Now, all of the available Quick Share devices will be displayed. As I have Quick Share enabled on my Windows PC, I will select my Windows device and then accept the transfer request. Once done, the transfer will be initiated, and you will be able to open it up. Another way of transferring files is through the QR code. Simply select the QR code feature and then scan it with the target device. Once done, you will be redirected to the web page from where you will be able to download the file. You can also use the link being displayed at the bottom and then share it through the Messenger app. Now, if the target person is far away from you and you want to share files, then you can just select the Contacts feature from the bottom. After that, choose the target contact and that person will get a link. Simply access the link and then download the file. And that's basically how you can share files on Samsung. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.